Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I do apologise, there has not been much activity around here the last few months, but I am here, I am back, and I'm very excited to be getting back into drones with you guys. So I still have my trusty DJI Mini 2, looked like it was missing a propeller there, but trust me, everything's okay with this. I'm looking forward to getting this thing back in the sky. I haven't done so for several months. As a matter of fact, when I last flew the DJI Mini 2, we were using the Fly app version 1.4.0, and I've now just noticed that we have been updated to 1.5.4. So I'd imagine there's been a number of changes over the last few months that I am not yet familiar with. So I'm very excited to see what those changes are, what exactly has happened to the app over the last few months that I've been away, and really just demonstrating that to you guys. I know that many of you will already be familiar with those updates, but hey, it will be nice to at least see them together. And I'm sure many of you will want to point this out to me, so I will make note of the fact that I am aware that there are many confluences and rumours now supporting a likely successor to the Mini 2, probably going to be called the Mini 3, and that this is currently in active development and a potential release date around April times. This hasn't yet been officially announced, but it is looking more and more likely that such an announcement will be coming very, very soon. So I'm very excited to learn more about that, and just to, you know, what exactly the Mini 3 could potentially bring to the table over the Mini 2. It's presumably going to have to still be under 250 grams because the various regulations for drone flying haven't changed over the last 12 months or so. But what can DJI really do to the Mini 2 whilst keeping it under that 250 gram weight limit? Presumably there will be a better sensor included. I know a lot of people would love to have additional obstacle avoidance, but can they squeeze that in to a sub 250 gram drone with the DJI quality as well? And what about the battery life? I mean, the DJI Mini 2 for its size doesn't have a terrible battery life at all, but can they improve that even further, bearing in mind that the battery is really where the bulk of the weight of the drone actually lies? And what else might they be able to tack on to a sub 250 gram drone? Yeah, looking forward to learning more about that. And another bit of exciting news, I feel like I've missed out on quite a bit over the last few months, is that the Sdk was finally released for the Mini 2. And I had actually got to the point where I didn't think this was going to happen because it was taking so long. But that's wonderful to see. So it's only available for Android devices right now. I'm sure iPhone will follow at some point, hopefully in the near future. And what this means is that you can now use third-party apps that can be developed for the Mini 2, so that you don't have to limit yourself to the DJI Fly app if you don't want to. And I know that there are already many apps out there, some of them quite popular, that add a whole bunch of features to the DJI Mini 2 that is not available with the in-store, I guess, DJI Fly app, including a follow mode and all sorts of neat features. So I'll have to probably check those out as well. Anyway, folks, I do want to say thank you for your patience with me over the last few months. It is great to be back with you. I'm looking forward to making and sharing more content with you on the DJI Mini 2 and potentially future drones as well. Looking forward to getting into some of that new stuff. But I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.